Hi guys, today we're going to be talking about something really cool. We're going to be talking about the Aputure AL-MX. So let's see what we have inside the box. First off, got a nice bag. Inside of that, a large and two small compartments. Then we have paperwork like usual, and we get this nice little bag of a diffuser and some 3M stickers and some Velcro for the diffuser. Also get an extra set of glass. Then get some plastic bands, USB-C charger cable. You get this ball head mount for mounting it on tripods and stuff. And then the light itself. This is a really small and compact LED light. It has a really nice feel to it. Feels kind of heavy. It's got a rechargeable battery inside. On the front, you can take off the diffuser. Just snaps on like a magnet. You can put on extra ones in case you need. Now the cool thing about this is that when you turn it on, just peel. The cool thing is on the top here you have a whole host of buttons that you can use to set the light. You can set the light tone or the color tone, and then you can set the light levels. So when you flip it on like so, it's really bright. Let's put on a diffuser. I don't know if you can see, but if we put it into dim, then with the warm and cold buttons, we can sort of turn up and down the lights. Let's see. And in case you need a lot of lights, it's got a boost function. That's the highest it goes, and then this is with the boost function. Like I said, you can control the color temperature on it. So if you switch it over to CCT on the top, it's right there. Then you can change the color. Again, it's like super warm. Now, the neat thing about that is if you have other lights like I do, then you can sort of match those lights, making it a lot easier in post-production to do your color grading and stuff. You don't have to take out ice cold light on one side and warm light on the other side. Now, why would you go and buy one of these small things? It's actually really useful if you want to do a sort of ambient light somewhere, or if you have a dark spot in your shot that you want to light up, or if you got something in the background, some special thing that you want to light up, then you can just pop that light in behind, light it up, and you're good to go. See, the thing is, I didn't get one. I got two. And the other one is lighting the side over here. So I'm definitely going to keep both of these in my camera bag at all times, because you never know when you need some light. One thing you need to know though is that if you go full throttle on this, not on the boost, but just full throttle on the intensity, these will last you about, I don't know, 45 minutes or so. If you dim it down, then you can maybe get an hour out of it. Don't expect these to last all day, but they're super fast to charge, so it's not really a big issue. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you have any questions, or if you're using them and you have good experience, bad experience, I'd love to hear from you guys. Be sure to subscribe, hit the little notification button, and I'll see you soon.